Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Krista. Today I'm gonna cook fried shrimps. Because I'm living in Germany and it's so difficult to buy fresh shrimps, so I bought these frozen shrimps from the Asian shop. If you know where to buy the fresh shrimps, please let me know and I thank you very much. Like always, fried shrimps is very easy to cook, so let's get started. These are all ingredients that we need today. Some scallions, garlic, ginger, and chili. Of course, if you want more spicy taste, you can use more chili. If you want less spicy, then less chili. First of all, we chop all of them into small pieces. We separate the green and white parts of scallions, because we will add the green parts of scallions at the end of cooking. So yeah, we will separate them. Okay, now we are ready to cook. We turn on the heat and we drip some oil, like 2 tablespoons oil into the pan, and we fry the shrimps first. First one side, and after a few seconds we fry the other side. Oh my god, the oil is on my camera. I didn't notice it at all. Wait until both sides of shrimps are fried, and then we add all these ingredients, the chilies, ginger, garlic, and scallions into the shrimps and fry them together. After about half a minute, we add some ketchup, some salt, some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, and some sugar. Then we keep frying them for about 1 or 2 minutes. At the end, we add all the green parts of scallions onto the shrimps. Then the cooking is done and we can serve them. It looks pretty good and also smells very good. My tummy is growing. So now the fried shrimps is ready. Altogether you need about 8 minutes, I think 8 to 10 minutes from prepare to be well cooked. Yes, so it's very quick cuisine and also very delicious and also very healthy. So I'm going to test it for you. I like it. It's very delicious. Please hit the like button if you liked today's video and subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.